What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sneakerhead on a budget. One of the hardest working sneakerheads on YouTube. Go give me a like, share, and subscribe. It definitely helps the channel out because YouTube be holding us down out here, budget fam. Damn! Alright, so boom, guys. So we're so close to 1,000 subscribers. Definitely appreciate the support, and we're almost there, and you can be the one to help us get us there. So if you do like this content, definitely like and definitely subscribe and definitely leave comments. It definitely helps out everything, especially for YouTube's algorithm. But let's talk about a shoe that was forgotten about. My God, I'm gonna break some. This shoe right here was a shoe that got a lot of attention. If you follow the Sneakers Lives, they did a whole special on this one to talk about the vault for the Cortez. And then if you watch Full Size Run actually talked about how they brought the owner of Union Los Angeles, and he talked about how he wanted to do something special with the Cortez, but they didn't want to take the full essence of LA out of it, because in LA they wear Cortez all the time. So they made 4 colorways. I was able to get one of the colorways, but also it made me think, because when these colorways dropped, none of them sold out instantly. This one dropped and it stayed on the app for a long time. I believe it's still there and it's still available. So it begs the question, this is a collab. Why is no one dropping for these? Why is no one going for these? And I think consumers are being very, very strategic of what they're spending money on. First, before we talk about that, look at this box. This came strictly from Nike. I've had this shoe for a minute sitting here. I got it last week, but look at that. It's straight up box, and I'm actually happy about that, because now I can see what it is. But it's gonna be a struggle opening this up. Let me see. Maybe not. Alright, so as we bring out the box, as you see, it does have the Cortez look and then kind of that old school Nike style box. If you know me, I love the boxes. It says Union on the side right there with the Nike symbol. Up top, that's kind of like the Nike phrase right there. If you can see it, pause if you want to read. And we definitely have the size right there. You see the size of 11.5, which is my natural size, and all the good fixings to it. So I do like the box. I do like how this looks. I don't have a box like this up here, so definitely a box I'm going to keep up. But look at that. I definitely like special boxes, and you do have that Union logo, and they're put in like a few circles, so you see that right there. So let's definitely open this up. On the inside, different paper. We have something about the Cortez, and it looks like it's giving us kind of like a history on the Cortez. If you look at that, it looks like that has the writing. So that's pretty dope right here. Talk about how it's for track and field and all the other stuff. So inside it definitely has the creative paper, which we like, not just the regular bland paper. And then here we got the shoe. So let's bust out this shoe real quick. And as we see, here is the shoe right here. So definitely, it's a Cortez, and so it has that little break here. It looks like it has that recycled material that Nike has been trying to use for a long time. They use it on a lot of those, I think they'll call it just trash or something like that. And then, so recycled material, so it looks like they use that for the sole right here. And it feels really soft. Now, if you've seen some other ones are like, looks like the sesame is like cork. So this one's a definitely different feel. I do like how it has its little indentions, and it does definitely look like it's recycled material if you take a look at all that right there. I'm a fan of suede, so this shoe definitely has some suede on here, some furry suede as well. Some suede on that upper right there, and then it also have suede when it comes on there. And this right here is a different material. I don't know what the material is, but it does feel like the material that they put on the Union 4 in the front. A little less give on that, like not like a mesh, but a little less give on that, but definitely feels like material they put there. And then we do have something on the guard back here, it feels like a rubber. On this back suede here, as you do have the logo, you definitely have Nike in the back right there underneath. And I believe on the other shoe it also has something. Let me pull that out. As we have extra laces, we do love extra laces. Oh, this is purple. That's different. Union's really known for giving you extra laces that don't seem like they go, but once you put them on, it makes sense. But in the back of this one says Nike as well, but this one has their Union logo on it. As you see this one, right? Oh, I guess they both have the Union logo. So, so they're both the same with the Union logo right there. If you look on the inside, we do have a cork. Can I pull it out? Nah, look at it stuck in there. I do have a cork insole right there, which is kind of cool. And then I love the colors of these. It's like definitely like an Easter color, definitely like a smooth look, and it's definitely, I like the way it's like. I love the colors when I seen it. And I was glad they sat Something about shoes sitting nowadays is really good. It gave me a chance to actually see if I really wanted these or not. A lot of times nowadays you just gotta buy a shoe, get it, and then see if you want it. It was great seeing that I can just look on the app, continue to do some research on these, see how much I really like these, and if I can really style it up, and then pull the trigger on it. So it's great having that, and I hope that comes in a lot now. Again, Cortez number right there as usual. Got the Union LA signature right there. And again, this is a pretty clean shoe. Definitely gonna keep this video short, but I actually like it. Is this something you guys would grab? Have you guys grabbed any of the other Union collabs? What do you guys think about these shoes in general? And if you do love this content, definitely follow me on social media. Well, on Instagram, I do style these up and put outfits together. So definitely support the Instagram. Definitely follow me on there as well. And definitely support the podcast. We have episodes come out every week. Usually jump on Mondays and Tuesdays. And I definitely appreciate all the support you guys have given me on this whole journey. It's been a really crazy year, and everything's looking up. Everything's so positive now, and I definitely appreciate the vibes. But yeah, these shoes are here pretty clean, man. I do like the textures. I love how Union tried to do something outside the box or something really different. And they did a lot going on with their shoe, and they have a few others. So definitely check out the others if you like. And definitely go on Nike, see if there's still some pairs available if you guys want to check these out. It's your boy Sneaker on a budget. Peace.
Hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit.